I'm so excited for this video because there's a wireless earbud I actually backed in Kickstarter. I think this is the third wireless earbud I backed in Kickstarter, but this is really something different. It's actually here. This is actually the GENKI Waveform. Wow, I think I waited a bit, right? And finally, it arrived at my doorstep. The good thing is that it also comes with this free. It has the casing, the protective casing with like some carabiner. Right, so some features, as you can see here, it has a total battery life of 36 hours. It has a low latency of 75 milliseconds. It has high fidelity 24-bit support. Right, it has a smart case, it has adaptive ANC, and it has dual stream. So dual stream, I think for those of you who want to have a better understanding of what is like dual stream, do check out this video whereby I actually did my impression, alright, of this particular Kickstarter campaign. Click on this to have more details. But today I'm actually gonna unbox this baby. Woo! Alright, so before we do that, let's take a look at what are around the box as well. So you can see that this is actually how the box look like on the front. Right, so this is actually the color I chose. And on the back, it has actually some features you can see here. Right, so it has a 10mm driver, it has noise cancellation microphone, it has voice clarity microphone. The case itself is wireless charging, and it also has a dual stream mixer. So these are something it actually support. It supports Snapdragon sound. So those of you who are actually using Snapdragon, that means you have devices like smartphones or tablets which are actually using the Snapdragon chip, you would probably be able to utilize this one. It supports AAC and Qualcomm aptX adaptive. Human things, not too sure what is that. Okay, so on the other side of the case, you can see here there's additional information. So what it means by dual stream is that you can connect and mix two different audio sources. So you can browse the walkthrough and play, you can game and chat with friends, you can listen to Zoom music in a Zoom. So this is the meaning of dual stream. It unlocks the power of audio multitasking. And I think this is something which has been quite high on the wish list for wireless earbuds, Bluetooth wireless earbuds, to have ANC and this kind of stuff, to be able to, like the left, I'm wearing both earbuds at the same time, but my left earbud is with device A and my right earbud is actually with device B, and they're streaming two different audio at the same time from two totally different devices. Alright, so without further ado, let's open up this thing, shall we? Alright, so let's get into it. When you open it up, it has this one. It says you can connect the waveform in 3 ways. Okay, so this triangle. Right, it says that you can do direct connection, which is open up the waveform case and to enter pairing, search for waveform to connect the device. The second one is actually via the smart case, whereby you can leave the earbuds in the case, connect the case to an audio source via Type-C, and wait for the green light to disappear. Wait until the green light disappears. The third one is actually dual stream mode, whereby you leave the earbuds in the case, connect the case to an audio source via Type-C, wait until the green light disappears, and then connect the phone to waveform dual stream. So this is what you see, waveform, this is the case. Right in front of you. Oh, it's pretty huge. Very nice. Okay, we'll look at this later. Let's put it aside first. Let's see what other things are here. Let's remove this. Alright, so the earbuds, the casing, it can go by wire case or it can go by wireless charging, and then the solid green LED. So it's how to connect your devices. It uses Bluetooth 5.3, or you can go by aptX adaptive connection for high fidelity, low latency connection through USB audio. Or so all this we will test it out later. So over here, like single touch is pause and play, double tap previous song, next song, triple tap is like voice assistant might change, okay, and then right here is for the ANC. Okay, then it also has two type of buttons on the back. Wow, nice. Two. Wow, first time I see a case with two buttons. I think most is just one button. Light indicator, on, flashing would be in green, blue would be connecting, blue blinking, it's searching for mixed devices. Okay, this is for disconnecting. Factory reset, place the earbuds back into the case. Okay, we can do a separate one for this. Bluetooth codec, Bluetooth profile, battery life up to 14 hours with the and let's get into the main thing. So this is actually the case itself. Right, I went for the gold with navy blue design. Right, so I'm not too sure what is this, but I like it. It's pretty chunky actually. I hold it and this. You can do a comparison. This is actually a palm of my hand. It's pretty chunky, right? But I like the build quality, even though it's plastic. Okay, so at the front here, I think this is the LED light. The lid is actually gold in color, and then it's over here. It's like lasered into it. You know, there's a groove of the name GENKI. Bottom is matte. I like it that it's matte throughout. And the back, there's the hinge, and then these are the two buttons. USB-C cable port. Okay, let's open up the case. So you see the earbuds, and then you see the name here again, GENKI. Okay, that's how they look like. Oh, you see that? Nice. And the logo on the earbud itself. Okay. Oh, this is different. Yep. Nearly. Oh, you see the light flashing? Yep. So there's a LED indicator on the earbuds itself. Let's take out the earbuds. So these are the microphones, I think. Okay, so if I tilt it this way, so this one should be the noise cancelling microphone, and then this one should be the microphone that is for voice clarity. Yeah, and then inside would be the chip and everything. Okay, so there's a sticker at the bottom. We need to remove that. Just remove it from both the left and right. And I like the indication, red in color for left and right. So it's clear, you don't get it wrong. Two pogo pins. It will come pre-installed with medium size. Let's remove the silicone seal so you can have a good look at the ear tip. Oh, the ear tip is pretty thick, as you can see here. And it has very deep grooves. You can see here very clearly, very deep grooves. So they're probably good that you can have a good grip. Alright, you can see the groove here. This is probably metal, right? Whole thing is plastic, matte, I love it. Alright, so let's put the seal back. So it sits onto the groove, I can see here. It sits onto the groove. Sits completely into it. You can see that it's actually holding on, grabbing it. Let me flip it inside out so you can see that it's entirely inside. So let me wear them now and can get a mode shot. Alright, so I'm going to be wearing the GENKI now. So this is actually the left earbud. So I'm wearing it now. And then this is the right. Oh, there's a charm now. So this is the right. Putting it in. Right. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is on the left earbud. Okay, so with this is facing towards my mouth. Alright. This is the right. Okay. The charm is going pretty crazy. I think he's trying to do a Bluetooth connect. Right, so same thing, this one is facing where my mouth is. Okay, so this is the right look, and this is how they look like on the front. So you can see that it's actually bulging out from my ear. Alright, it's actually protruding quite a lot. Right, okay. Take out the earbuds. See they're actually flashing blue, so this is probably in pairing mode. You're looking for a device to pair. Put the earbuds back. Alright, the light becomes solid and then it goes off. Alright, close the lid, LED shines. Okay, so next would be, let's see what happens when we charge it up. Okay, so over here I actually have a USB-C cable, so let's see what happens when we plug it in. Okay, so the moment I plug in the USB-C cable, you will see that the LED light here, for the first few moments, it was actually pulsing. Let me remove it. See, was it pulsing like from light to bright, light to bright? Yep, it's pulsing. Okay, and then we open up the lid and then we see on the earbuds itself, right, it's also pulsing blue color. Now it's actually solid blue, and then off again. So let's leave it to charge, and then we'll come back again when they are actually fully charged.
A few moments later.